The Meghalaya government has announced plans to install vehicle scanning machines at border entry points in East Jenta Hills and Riboy districts within the next 6 months as a part of its effort to combat drug trafficking. This was announced by Minister in Charge Social Welfare Paul Lindo following a meeting of the Drug Reduction, Elimination and Action Mission DREAM held on November 14. Speaking to reporters, Lindo stated that all vehicles entering the state will be subject to go through the scanning process. He further stated that trained personnel will be required for the installation of the scanning machines. In order to combat the increasing cases of drug trafficking in the state, Lindo informed that the state will also strengthen the Anti-Narcotics Task Force (ANTF). Additionally, the Social Welfare Minister mentioned that the Meghalaya Police Act 2010 will be revised to enhance provisions for the volunteers involved in the village defense parties, VDPs, ensuring better facilities and support for their roles.